If you don't take care of the diabetes, the natural progression of the disease is that eventually, and usually between 10 and 15 years, you're going to start to have end organ damage. You're going to have diabetic changes in your eyes, your heart, your brain, your kidneys, and your extremities.
Unmanaged diabetes can lead to heart attacks, strokes. It can lead to kidney failure, needing to be on dialysis.
I tell patients all the time that if they are not cognizant or aware of their diabetes and how high their sugar is, how to respond when they have illness in their system, that they can end up with hospitalization, missing work, difficulties.
So everywhere you have a blood vessel, diabetes can affect. If it happens in the small vessels in the brain, it increases your risk for strokes. If it happens in the eyes, it increases your risk for diabetic retinopathy and blindness. If it happens in the heart, it increases your chances for heart attack. If it happens in the kidneys, it increases your chance to have end-stage renal disease and being on dialysis. And then finally, if it happens in the extremities, it increases your risk for getting ulcers, peripheral neuropathies, and then ultimately losing limbs.
Just the fact of being on dialysis and having kidney failure increases your risk of mortality.
And so the nightmare for the doctors to have their diabetics develop end organ disease.
It's very important if we're not addressing this aggressive disorder at a young age. I mean, I don't imagine the fact that I'm a 35, 40-year-old male that I can imagine I'm going to end up dying from heart disease before I see my children get out of high school, but that happens unfortunately too often in diabetics.